People always talking about some smoke that they don't know about. I be driving with that constant way more than your mama house. All the speed doctors, we got patients who keep slowing down. Come and take a ride with us and see how we gon' run the town. Speed doctors, that's all you need to know. Speed doctors, you can watch this shit at home. Speed doctors, we gon' give your ass a show. From the money to the cars, we gon' show you how it go. Speed doctors, that's all you need to know. Speed doctors, you can watch this shit at home. Speed doctors, we gon' give your ass a show.
You need some gas on.
What for no one can tell me that?
Yeah.
I didn't care. Like that
I mean, everything's attainable.
Yeah,
That's what it means.
But all this shit was nothing no more.
Yeah.
And then when the first time I did a big like money down or something was the Wraith. When I did that, none of all this was easy. I didn't even care. Every time it was. Yeah. I did that.
Yeah.
Then I did it. It was like now nothing's nothing. Nothing is nothing, man. Just go. And the harder you go, and the bigger you go, the further you go, and the more you can go. That's how the big dogs do it. That's why that man went to space. Look how they do it. They don't never stop. They go crazy and crazy. They go crazy and crazy. They don't ever stop.
Normal humans cannot drive the G-Wagon 4x4 square.
It's a car.
You must have some extraordinary driving and parking skills to handle that monster.
Yeah. It's a monster of all monsters.
Yeah.
And it's like it come like that. Ain't nothing. I ain't touched that car. There ain't no extra paint. There ain't no extra lift. There ain't no nothing. That comes like that, man. So understand that for real. Wait till I get to it though. I'm gonna make it crazy. I'm lifting it up higher.
What?
Yeah. Yep. They finna lift it up higher. Put the crazy rims on it, more lights. It's gonna be stupid.
This shit better be crazy.
It's gonna be like that. For sure.
Yeah.
So we in the Turo Corvette rental. We're on the way to the Porsche Experience Center, LA. I'm supposed to be probably gonna be running a little bit late. You know what I'm saying? LA traffic, and we got caught out there at the Maid compound for a little bit longer.
Almost done with the book too, by the way, man. How many words we in now?
7,000, bro.
7,000 words, man.
Hit up Amazon.com, man. Every book you need to improve your lifestyle. We got the Organik Seeds of Greatness. Free yourself. That's the Financial Freedom Guide. And we got Organik Seeds of Greatness, Volume 1. How to become a successful YouTuber and entrepreneur. Don't forget to pick up the cryptocurrency and the new Black Wall Street. But hold on just a minute. We got a special something for Mr. Organik. The SpeedDocs came into town. You know we had to bring some gifts to the man who made it all happen.
Let me see what I got. I got a gift, bro. Heard that? Gift for me. Let me sit on the throne for this motherfucker here. No. Sosa, man. The real Sosa, man. So you put the leg like that, you know you get a new tattoo, you gotta show it off. Oh, you got something good. Put it right there. Shit.
You already know, man. My guy. Yeah. First off, we got our 2 brand new books out. Now, my buddy, Dr. Dre, the Speed Doc, had to run some errands with his family, so he's visiting his brother. But he just released his new book, Botched Girl Summer. This is the official or the unofficial guide for international travel, cosmetic surgery, and dentistry.
A lot of women into that, not getting their teeth done and body done overseas, man. Keep it goddamn American. Man.
Right, so if you're gonna do it, get the guide, do it right,
do it right. Safe. He help you out. He did my T-lip. Jeez.
You can get everything you need at a great price right here in America. You don't have to go international. Get the guide, read exactly why you don't need to go. Too risky. And of course, we got the new cryptocurrency book, Crypto Basics. So if you're just beginning your journey into cryptocurrency, this is the book you want to get. Gotta get one from my guy. He's a pro.
But I still like the basics.
But we still like to got to brush up on the basics all the time.
Sure, especially right now, it's changing all the time. But it don't hurt to know more, man. Appreciate that, brother.
And of course, we got the box, man.
I'm sitting in the throne. Make sure social looking right there, man. All right, Golden. Ooh, come on now. Come on, brother. Got the good canvas too. That's the canvas material that I was playing. SpeedDocs shirt, looking spiffy. You understand me? Yeah, we racing to the goddamn greatness, man. Appreciate that, brother. Put
Yes,
that there.
sir.
What else we got here, man?
Now, you know I'm African, so I
You
had to
African
get
motherfucker, man.
I
You
had
got
to
the
get
kente
you,
cloths?
man. You got the original
Okay.
clothing straight from Nigeria.
Oh, I like this type of clothing, man. I need some of this stuff, man. What is this, the top?
Yeah, that's the top and bottom's right there.
Oh, this a full suit?
Yes, sir.
Oh, this my colors.
It's old school, man. You got to put it over your head.
Oh, that's hard. I'm rocking with this. I always want one of these, man. Oh, that's hard, man. Yeah, now I got my full goddamn kente cloth type. Come on, man. Shaka Zulu, man. I'm from that tribe. I appreciate that, brother. That's love, man. From the seed, brother. Thank you. Appreciate that, man. You know I like my international clothing, man. I got my ponchos. I had my Indian garb on the other day. You know what I'm saying? I'm an international guy, man. So I appreciate that for sure. I promise I do. And it's my colors too. Imagine what I got on. Ain't that something? Appreciate that, brother.
Handpicked out for the great man. We appreciate everything.
From the seed. A lot more to come too, man. So
Yes, sir.
make sure y'all be ready for that masterclass mentorship whole program. Stay tuned for more crypto stuff we mastering too.
Yep.
Keep helping you guys. Not just about us. We will achieve a lot of things in life. We will get a lot more, but we want to help the people that don't know how to do it or scared to do it or held back from releasing their greatness to the world. We're gonna push you guys to do so. That's our job. So stay tuned, man, to more greatness. 3 on the God amount. This is my God killer. Dr.
SpeedDocs 8.3. Y'all subscribe, man.
Subscribe, man. Subscribe to my dog free channel, man. Get him to 1,000 subscribers so he get monetized out this bitch, man. 3 of them to God. I'm out throne. Or doing motherfucking, what was that, 4 hours?
Around there, yeah, 4 hours.
4 or 5 hours straight to the leg. Living life, man. You know, be multitasked out here, man. Be
No
out.
numbing cream, nothing.
Oh, no, nothing, man.
None of that.
Yeah, no numbing cream, no nothing, man. Straight through. I always do that, man. That's how you get through it, man. You got to go through something to get something. I love my art, so I had to go through the pain to accept it, man. That's what you got to do, too, guys. You got to go through the pain to obtain your goals and invest in yourself. It ain't cheap. You know what I mean? But it's all right. It's worth it at the end. I'm a working art piece, man. Your body is your temple, but mine is a pyramid, and I'm covered in hieroglyphics. So that's why in that song I said hieroglyphics in my skin. You can see where I've been. I got my cities. I got where I've been through. You can see all I've been through in my skin. Some people didn't get that in that song, huh? Come on, man. It's okay. I take you to the goddamn history class. Other than that, I'm out of here. Keep it pure, keep it positive, keep it prophetic. Make sure you subscribe to Make Sure You Get It. Go order the merch, OrganLifestyle.com. Order the merch. Got my guy, Dr. X, right there. Tell him what to do, nigga, in the books.